Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Remember that sound? Remember that sound? This sound would always be followed shortly thereafter by "Go to bed!" Because when I played with Lego blocks as a kid, I could only play with them during the daytime because doing this at night, you know, there's that one block at the bottom you're trying to get to, and you're trying to get to it very quietly, and you couldn't do it without, like, moving every other block in your box. Lego blocks are so much fun, and I still play with them to this day. So I thought I would introduce you to some Lego software if you weren't already aware that Lego does have software available, and there's an active community that takes the concept of Lego blocks and has given you software to use, open source software available for a variety of operating systems. And in fact, the new Logo operating system, Lego I should say, not Logo. Logo's another programming language, I guess. The new Lego operating system is open source, which is really kind of cool. I haven't picked up any kind of robotic or programmable Lego set. I haven't really gotten that far. I'm still trying to master these tiny little blocks, you know, just making random patterns. I actually bought these for Ponzi a couple of years ago, and she never used them, and I just, every once in a while, I'll pull them out and, you know, if I'm feeling stressed out, and build some kind of block tower with them. But the first site I want to tell you about is LDRAW. LDRAW.org, and Windows users at least will be able to download a set of files and install the comprehensive package that will allow you to create 3D Lego-like structures. I would say Lego-like because, of course, it's not officially endorsed by Lego itself. But Lego also has a program that you can download, the Digital Designer, and it should be available either, I know it's available specifically on Apple's website for OS X, and I know that there's one available for Windows as well. And with this, you could design your own 3D construction of how you would want something to look. And then, at least with the official Lego Digital Designer, you should be able to order those bricks directly from Lego, so you can construct that which you had created. It's kind of a cool thing. I always liked the little Lego people when I was growing up. Of course, my Lego people started looking less like people. We had to use the yellow block, square block head as the head. Certainly didn't have a face. And even the first head-like blocks didn't have faces. And then, of course, when I grew up, then they come out with all the cool Lego block sets, Harry Potter and Star Wars, and didn't have that when I was a kid. But I still walk by the Lego store in the mall and look longingly, wondering, wow, I wonder what I could build today. So LDRAW.org, Lego Digital Designer. There's also for OS X a program that is available for free. It's open source. Bricksmith, and you can find more information at bricksmith.sf.net. That's where you can download it. And if you want something else for Windows, this is kind of what prompted the whole thing. You can try Anders Corner of the Web. Search your favorite search engine specifically for the word Block CAD. That's one word, Block CAD, and you can download a program that will enable you to design Lego-like patterns on your computer screen and rotate them in the 3D landscape. It's kind of cool. And this was submitted to me this morning, as a matter of fact, by live.pirillo.com frequenter and YouTube subscriber Michael Brandhorst. So I appreciate that, Michael. I appreciate that tip. I've known about these programs. I just never really thought about sharing it with everybody. So again, thanks, Michael. I am a Lego fan. And if you're a Lego fan, that's cool. And maybe you know of another cool program that's available either open source or for the variety of popular consumer operating systems, Linux, Windows, OS X. If you know something cool that I should be sharing with the rest of the community, by all means, let me know. Send me an email. chris@pirillo.com is how you get a hold of me. Maybe you even have a Lego pattern you'd like me to send, or like to send me to look at. I'd be interested in taking a look. Couldn't build it, but I'd like to take a look. Of course, you're also welcome to embed this video, share it with friends, and you're also welcome to swing by the chat room where we're typically talking tech 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sometimes we talk about fun things. Sometimes we talk about more serious things. And now, if you let me be, I'm going to construct something kind of small. There we go, I'm done. All right, that is what I'd like to call a Lego pimple. Stop by the chat room if you can. We're found at one place on the web. That's live.pirillo.com. We'll see you later.